Turbo, turbo, turbo. Who's got a broken turbo? Well, there's plenty of them out there. One thing a lot of people got to realise, guys, is that when your turbo does actually fail, it can cause other issues that you need to rectify before you go ahead and fit that shiny new expensive turbo. One of the main ones we tend to see happen is that the intercooler itself fills up with engine oil, and this can cause the vehicle to overrun and potentially do mega damage. So if you have had that situation, make sure you get that intercooler off, give it a good clean out. You're going to want to make sure that you're checking your oil pressure to your new turbo, because if it ain't got enough oil pressure, it ain't going to be new for very long. You're going to want to check that oil waste return, make sure it's not blocked, so it can get the oil back out of there fast enough, it's not leaking. And a couple of other things to do whilst you're doing it is also to replace the engine oil and filter and the air filter itself. Now, a lot of people do the oil filter, but they don't do the air filter. Now, yeah, it's got oil in there, but pretty sure it's got air in there as well. Sake of the cost of an air filter or a £900 turbo. I know what I'd rather change.